Eastern Shore with few homes coming on the market and fewer going under contract. It's Friday, February 10th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Buyer demand is down in every county on the shore, but there is a flurry of buyer activity in Vienna, Rising Sun, Queenstown, Sharptown, and Showell. And this week, available homes fell again to 1,022 homes for sale. Only 61 homes came on the market since my last report. 60 homes are coming soon. More this week than last. 64 went under contract, 76 properties went to pending, which is up again. 54 properties sold in 34 days, falling to 96.8% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Ocean City for $1,250,000. Rentals are at 89 available at $1,800 per month on the market for 38 days. Is there a move in your plans for 2023? I can help. So let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 10th, 2023. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.